We are talking about people's fundamental rights that you use that your office. You abused the whole country. The nation as a whole. We were not even able to tell who was a Ghanaian because of you. Banyansa for Yebunibe Yankanasem. Gigim breaking news biaba me pese me no kan ho asem. Eye osono maame. Somebody say osono maame ye ni interview about nyoma bi a wa ya constitution e kire say e wo say etoto na no. Constitution e kire de yenye e na constitution no a kire e na president any council of state ye nyina ye di so. Enti week mu nyina no so munima osono maame anopa bia no ye ne kira dakem ne atoto na no e wo kokoam. Enyimbre dia beto dwane se osono maame akasa. Na the osono maame ka e wo interview na siri nyina no say suspended Chief Justice claims that for muntie me pa. Suspended Chief Justice claims she was subject to mental torture at committee hearing. Suspended Chief Justice claims she was subjected to mental torture at committee hearing in new suit. That for asemwe de modu na so meka. Yes, Madam Torkonu, former Chief Justice ayatoto na no nyome bi a oyeye no. Ende wotuna num tuo o say eye committee na okohia omo no. Opeso ka kire Ghana for say broni fra bibi mental torture. O say omo de na adwene o so omo de afa nwuram. Che say o kan o say na nisisum na so sibi omubusa no questions na amana bodam. O say I say obi agya ne nan agu ni tiri so. O say omo de ni tiri afa mrem. Ni watutu no man to ayehye. Yaka say mental torture. O say na adwene no sibi ana sorry mo. Eye omo te committee ni so no ebusa ne nsema emu odin no. Ama na adwe aye prekesen etu bi agimi. Aye say tu jimi. Wenya mental torture. Et say obi edisebio ekuma ejina ni tirimu pa ni tirimu. O say ama aye say wabodam. O say aye say questions ebusa no o say sibia omde questions ni puopu ano no above and trim and your friend mental torture into busa software ya obeka kire.
Amen. Ghana lawyers so we 50 wo mu 5 na whatsapp wo mu 45 ni ye yufuslam no gu mayim everybody san wa yareba wa yayar. Amen. Kan sa kan na mo whatsapp wo yesu bogem. Amen. Ghana lawyers so we 50 wo mu 5 na whatsapp wo mu 45 ni ye yufuslam no gu mayim everybody san wa yareba wa yayar. Amen. Kan sa kan na mo whatsapp wo yesu bogem. Amen. Ghana lawyers so we 50 wo mu 5 na whatsapp wo mu 45 ni ye yufuslam no gu mayim everybody san wa yareba wa yayar. Amen. Kan sa kan na mo whatsapp wo yesu bogem. Amen. Ghana lawyers so we 50 wo mu 5 na whatsapp wo mu 45.
Madam Torkonu say the CEO eye committee na se no amana bodam mental torture minim de omde ye no ho adan mu bia bibi so kire na ana mo ne ye eye Kofi Niama ana se obi butu wo de na si wo ho momma mu nchechire mu nchire a mama me maame eno adole eye Torkonu enya mental torture adai mu bia mu zepo ho ana e de na si a wo ma de hu a e ma Wontumi nda sisi na ni so yi enti madam Afric committee na se no we take a decision be na Madam Torkonu eteki wako court afiwe me say afiwe gare bo be ebe for off afiwe gare ne bo be for off. Madam Torkonu free committee meeting na se na ye toto na no se ama na adwene bom ama ne tia se den sinkran de si so enti ofiri one also wako court oko Supreme Court on tiase oko Supreme Court enti oko Supreme Court anadwu ya wa file the adherence of the law has cultivated a manipulation of mental torture that has ignited the mental fortitude of the new Alliance of Human Rights Administration. The Chief Justice, on her own will as a lawyer and also as the representative of the former Chief Justices in Ghana, has acquired a suit which inaugurates the suspension of the Chief Justice Torkonu files additional processes at the Supreme Court alleging violation of her fundamental human rights and your rights in the ongoing impeachment proceedings against her. Yes, anadwi wafre eyedien wafre afenyo momfa bibi to be paso na de koso me hututu me into be koso ma me oto me hututu me into a file additional processes otiase mo amuti pizza na mudi matem no ade am kan won tia say wa no se boto Kevin Taylor be chirechirem abuofunu wa ma miska mahama na etia me ka kokiche mahama no ma miska abuofunu me be chirechirem an Kevin de nyabotre be chirechirem odwan from me eye confirm no Kevin Taylor enti o wie na no be sene call eye court o say o court a ka kire court say eye committee members no etietia de fa hodie so ada obi abuse na so obi abuse na madam ka kire ne ma nipa na ye make sure say nipa na ko gina court obi de sa keka obi de sa fa wachi ana obi ato brazia my minister the fundamental human rights they have abused their fundamental human corn they have abused their fundamental human wheat they have actually abused their fundamental human sobolo. So she is going to file additional air processes. Yeah, over filization. Confirm what you say over file check. Nana, over file check. Inti chechemi say Chief Justice court. Hey, Ghana nkwana Chief Justice court. Ghana nkwana Chief Justice court say no on ten one say. Dem Ghana for the be almost at the record. Right now, no, it is only in Ghana and a Chief Justice court so on ten one say. Chief Justice Akoko is on to was now what oh blackmail your bar ubedem. Fifi got to get me say Chief Justice is on to one say Chief Justice Akoko to open interpretation. Now because you're paying your own yejuma. Our heart attack a tartar of front. Now was I blackmail you be ubedem and no show banker ubedem. Ubet me the opposite be ubedem. In the money a constant. It is only in Ghana na Chief Justice to court. Ghana and Kwana Chief Justice to court. It has something in answer, but I'm talking to say committee for not abusing the fundamental human rights. Fundamental human rights. Into a court to say on ten one say. And now they be also for the catch you know.
Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you 50, 1 no what's up? 145 near you Fuslam, no good may you. There are someone here about why amen. Come on. Number one tap for yes to amen. Ghana lawyers, so you 50, 1 no what's up? 145 near you Fuslam, no good may you. There are someone here about why amen. Come on. Number one tap for yes to amen. Ghana lawyers, so you 50, 1 no what's up? 145 near you Fuslam, no good may you. There are someone here about why amen. Come on. Number one tap for yes to amen. Ghana lawyer
Adole, I told you resign. Right now, Oma committee didn't you cannot resign again. Right now, you are going to walk out of the Supreme Court with nothing. Oma afenyo marking Jimmy Way, NPP, Godfrey Dame, who is supposed to represent people with disability in Ghana. Oma small boys way Jimmy Way. Time I was started law. Now in Kwasiafo way, they were nowhere. Because of politics. One my small boys way. Very filthy politicians. You a woman. What's not Ghana? What Bobra? Resign and tell Ghanaians, you know something, the Supreme Court is not mine. If all these things happening is going to cause chaos, and I'm sorry, let the Supreme Court go. I am Torkonu. I can go and continue with my law firm. I can be a consultant. You go. All the perks that comes with it, you go with it. You will still be treated as a Chief Justice who resigned honorably. What my NPP Jimmy Fowe. Afenyo marking kwasi ampenyi we ya. Or no to me kwaji obi yire. Na nipa no, ne yire no, ne girlfriend ni nua bema de, ne kwati ato akwara wedi 2 years enum. Afenyo marking is still following the woman. Now you are making a dirty riffraff like Afenyo Makina, Kakawure good home. Lead you this way. Right now, committee now starting the Juma. When you decide not to go again, you are done. So I'll go through so you are done. What could the boss mediane? You were too arrogant. You were too arrogant. Arrogance. Just one ma a hand tired do mu. You won't so bad. You won't so judges da. Masa Ghana ni nya wodia. A politician I appoint you. If another politician comes and say they cannot work with you, if that is what you think, let it go. Say, even if the new party says they don't want to work with you, now the only say political. And I said the question, only say some people are trying to sabotage you. The Supreme Court is not for you. Let it go. And the Biawama MPP in Kwasiafo with small boys. You can give birth to some of them. And these little boys dragged you, have been dragging you in toilet, dragging you in KVIP, dragging you. Right now, you have no credibility. Now, who person who in the committee in the case of Unya, one and the Supreme Court. In the committee, the case of Unya Bibia, Sakwe Ujuma, why now when the court now Supreme Court? Who are you going to work with? Can't you see you are done? Arrogance, opeja wabeti, when muna wenim debia si attention, when a debia yama Supreme Court judge. Who now your Chief Justice? You who was so basa. Now you see where you have gotten yourself into. You see what you've gotten yourself into. And this is all pure politics. You allowed small boys, dirty riffraffs, criminal politicians to mislead you into this ditch. See the embarrassment. Today, a Chief Justice petitioning that your fundamental human rights have been violated. You. Adole, I told you. Adole, I told you, maintain your level. Adole, I told you, maintain your level. Maintain your level. Brownwase, now you're bad. So Brownwase and Chese, Sebio Unima dear. Oh, Brownwase and Chese, Sebio, Unya important. You are not a woman of substance. So Brownwase and Chese, Unya intelligent. Oh, Brownwase and Chese, Obiaji, Brownwase. A hand time. Peja wabeti. What done it Supreme Court into your private property? Or me kufuado achichidie way. Use you. Use the law to rape you. Made sure you had a lot of miscarriage. Using the law. Today, see where you are. Young men and women, young people are speaking in your face like a child. People are ridiculing you. We sit here and we make fun of you. All because you allowed politics to take over the little thing you were able to build. You are nothing. The history of Ghana will never remember you again. You and Atayi, you are out of our history books because of you. Arrogance. Arrogance. You are not different from the people who killed Koku Ninja. The people who killed Koku Ninja, those people, they can never be in our history. And you are going to also suffer the same fate. In 2, 3, 4 months, we will not remember you. Every time we will be saying, wait. This is what you are living behind. Arrogance. Arrogance. You feel too important. You felt too important. Messi and the committee because I want you to Supreme Court. Because right now, what may I tell you? Obi Supreme Court will be a town. So who are you going to work with? This is simple knowledge. You made these foolish politicians, foolish boys. Today you are talking about fundamental human rights. Somebody abusing you. You are an embarrassment. You have made people like us who supported women, who supported that women should take big positions. You knew you were saying French Rebecca, les Suisses, la Zang. What may you say? Afem. Oma about to me. Sometimes Oma about to me na usro. Some of you women and the money didn't say baby in your position in this world, especially in Africa. Some of you, these women, when you get a little bit of power, the level of arrogance you show in Mema Krampo ba. Mona the younger ones struggle. You see somebody like Professor Nano Pokwajiman. She struggled to get to where she was today because of characters like you, Torkornu. The arrogance, the posture. The way you take things personal. You want to run anybody down. You don't want to listen to anybody because arrogance. A didumu, a hand time. Into Ochina, if today, Anna Ochina, a new woman crops up, another intelligent woman, honest woman, patriotic than you, honest than you, non-partisan like you. Today, if she's brought out to be the Chief Justice, we will start thinking twice. What say chance? Millions of women. You, Torkonu, you have destroyed them. You have destroyed millions of women. Young Ghanaian women, you have destroyed the opportunity. There are so many of them in the Ghana Law School. They want to be judges. They want to become Chief Justices. What say or more? Because now, we will be scared. The trauma you have put us through, one woman, the trauma you have put this nation through, make me Chief Justice. Today you are telling us about your alleging that violation of your fundamental. Do you know what fundamental rights are? Fundamental rights, and they say Omar Godfredame still became the Attorney General when we saw him as a criminal, negotiating behind the scenes when there was a case in court. That is fundamental rights. Godfrey Dame was stepping on people's fundamental right with his 3940 leg. That fundamental right you did not understand. That was real fundamental rights. People's fundamental rights were being taken from them, and you supervise that nonsense. Do you know what fundamental rights are? It is when you tell Ghanaians that Ghana near to Canada or person better Ghana now oye juma man mine now catch Ghana for say through the attorney general he should be sued every week, every day. That is taking somebody's fundamental rights from them. That is what you people did to Quaison. Do you understand fundamental rights? You are enjoying all the privileges today. We need you want to say the alewa. You think we are foolish? Face them and answer the questions. You took your daughter and your husband. You spend the taxpayers' money, millions. You want us to clap for you? You are crying what? Fundamental rights. Do you know what fundamental rights are? You sat in the Supreme Court, oversaw all these things happening. People's rights were taken from them. You sat there and you were laughing because the Lilliput, that tortoise in the Jubilee house, he was entertaining you. Do you think we are stupid or we forget easily? Do you know what fundamental rights are? What you are enjoying today is not fundamental. Nobody's stepping on fundamental rights. They are giving you a lot of privilege. They are giving you a lot of room to express yourself. You have even been given opportunity to speak back. You have been given an opportunity. Because of you, we have put together a committee. You are not supposed to even be before a committee. So you, even just getting the hearing alone, you should understand that you have been given your fundamental rights back. You have everything. What are you complaining about? What do you want us to do? We are talking about people's fundamental rights that you use that your office. You abused the whole country. The nation as a whole. We were not even able to tell who was a Ghanaian because of you. You sat in front of us and told us you don't know who a Ghanaian is. That was our fundamental right. You took it away from us. A woman, one woman. Do you know what fundamental rights are? Madam, shut up, sleep, take a shower in the morning, go and face your problems. You think we are joking here?
Simply, no decision that I have made in my role as Chief Justice or in my capacity as President of a panel of the Supreme Court has come from anything but a knowledge of law. No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law.
Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 5, no what's up? 1 45 near you, Fuslam, no good may you. There are someone here about why I am. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, we used to be you. Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 5, no what's up? 1 45 near you, Fuslam, no good may you. There are someone here about why I am. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, we used to be you. Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 5, no what's up? 1 45 near you, Fuslam, no good may you. There are someone here about why I am. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, we used to be you. Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 5, no what's up? 1 45 near you, Fuslam, no good may you. There are someone here about why I am. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, we used to be you. Amen. Ghana lawyers.
So, madam, take a shower tonight. Have some tea. Relax with your husband. Sleep, because tomorrow you are going again. Yeah. The law is the law. Face the law and defeat the law. We don't have time for crying, and you are a crybaby like your own lawyer, Godfrey Dame. You are crying and Godfrey Dame is crying. So who is going to save who? Your lawyer is a crybaby, and you too are a crybaby. So you and your lawyer, who is going to save who? Godfrey Dame, who is your lawyer, who is supposed to represent people with disability in Ghana, he's crying. And you too, you being his client, you are also crying. So who is going to save who? Shut up and maintain your level, Adole. Public announcement number 2. Weija, egigim. You see Weija for so, me kind sembin chairman am jujum because mo MP we Jimmy. Mo MP no, on the parliament obubu tables, Jimmy. Mr. P, Mr. S, what's that guy's name? Akwana we using to hono. Weija for mo MP Jimmy no, o dia fe nyoma keji na obubu tables. announcement about for the Jimmy and the Kanchiremo. Me and Mesaba Chiremo. Now, public announcement to Omo Amutu around the Weija Dam. Hadie, Besenka Sikan Kosa buying with the Mame Pa. Or Sanka buy with Mam Sko. Because a Juma Mayama buy we no. Like it's just Jack, my mom invest just a major public announcement. Me join semu just say basically anything I'm for the time, you know. Anything will be a episode na some bamboo. Aye. Ejuma me idea. All right, mama Weija Van Dam, Jimmy no. Your friend is says Jerry. Weija for MP we Jimmy. Ne na mfiamfia bi e na so atentam kakra o sade I dey say not atentam na dey na isi atwe. Into why to say Oliver Twist. Jimmy. Afenya makaka so go table. Afenya makaka so go hunija. Jimmy, first time in parliament. Unim the eba. Jimmy. Now, this is the announcement. We are cautioning people around the Weija Dam to move to a higher ground or to safety, especially those who have encroached on the buffer zone. And Ghana Water Company for Public Relations Officer Kasa Yefreno, Stanley Marty in Krainiba, or say, Omude warning. So I'm going to say warning because we are wedding. It's an advice in a form of warning. Almost say, they are cautioning. I mean, man, very subtle. Ghana Water Company for they are cautioning people are motivated around Weija. Yeah, the announcement in the 12 the men now mentioning me foul and send up a say, okay, Minisani, me my ibo, that be yes, say Asamaba. Yeah, my announcement, no. Yes, moi moti Weija dam no ho. Moi moti inside a mo bend down na mo form no. Mo starting park mo nyoma na mo nkotena soro kakra. Every say insuo no omu bebie. Mo so a Weija asase na asase Ghana Weija asase ni say ye kosi dan wo ho a mo encroach ye ka say encroach. Ye ma wo ho kwan say kosi dan wo ho a makosi dan wo ho a makobo apatate wo no. And the Ghana Water Company say sa mu nyina no mu free ho animanim he ya na omu bebie nsuo no na omu bie nsuo na ebefa nipa ebefa nsuo enti mu amote ben nsuo no a mote ewo fom no donko nim a mu fie no ewo wo fom a nsuo no yiri a etumi wura mu fie ntem no Ghana Water Company through den omu public relations officer no o say mu movie mu nyoma ehiam no mon starting twenko den pepo so mama na dem sa anadwo no ebi se omu bebie nsuo no enti mu a mo ben sa sare wonyina mu yi mu nyoma nkosoro mo so amosisi dan bebie ani se musi dan mu free dan nim na omu bebie mo a mo yan kranfo amante announcement me be kan nkran mu Weija Ghana Water Company ofa na announcement caution bibio Galamsey Weija areas environs Weija Ghana Water Company fite water rainwater Weija dam bubu ashi just ebu afaso ade kwa say as ma nyu nyejuma Weija water bubu ashi you see just Weija water ebebu afaso e fe bubu ashi bubu ashi edogodogodogo ebami mini yano hill people mo people mo Galamsey bibio no kodoko fio etashi Weija dam ebubu ashi ese Weija dam no ebebu afaso ebebu atoche ebebu afaso minke water company send message ebo ekobe message one time second time message survivors encroaches Galamsey bibio latobio koshi atomi ofane sabulai rainwater ebubu ashi mibio Weija area environs a danger zone in quick move wa say esebodanche mo amoto monya ntem na monkotena dan no so empepo no so esemo ara nkasamara pepo no so Weija dam ebubu ashi ni nyina ne say Weija dam no ebebu afaso ebubu ashi move right now very very important Galamsey mini yano min 10 mabu last story show domi show domi wa show ending domi show ni be ending me ya akwa bitin cry is a wodenche show come end domi wa just show ni be ending me ya nigga see Nigga C, you are my man, eh? I dare for you, nigga C. I'll call you tonight, nigga C. Nigga C, I'll call you. Me call a relax symbol. Even nigga C, a call 8 tonight. A very solid information, nigga C. All right, now, Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Johnson Esiama, cautions individuals and institutions to conduct all transactions exclusively in cedis. Mamenkai Brofuni Bium. Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Johnson Esiama cautions individuals and institutions to conduct all transactions exclusively in cedis. Now, a Juma Bank of Ghana governor we why. Wamaya betia say Addison Jimmy flat. A Juma wa bought in this 5 months and yenna be with Addison Sebio na Ojiji Susu. Sa anko for nam nam Jom Jiji Susu no so me bankers no. Addison sa onye banker. Addison only qualification bia Ojiji Susu no ni name a na obepie Bank of Ghana because if you Juma Isiama ye na audit to Addison Juma ye ho a na te say Addison no Ojiji Susu. We say o me nyina be with Addison Jimmy. Now wakasa o say omo de mra eba anase omo de futuo e de magana fo ene ankorankora moye modwuma ene sebio eye ndwumaku akese Bank of Ghana say ende Ghana memma obia emfa dollar enye transaction anase enye dwuma sika bia edi be ye dwuma o Ghana bia no e wo se eye cedis se aban hwehwem ne ebehu se ote Ghana ebia wo hotel Oti Ghana, ebia we some kind of lounge. Oti Ghana, we a company, we tonyama. Na se oje dollars, and then a transaction a buying betumi achew. Bank of Ghana said we should do everything possible as much as we can to make sure say I was say Ghana na yetino ye this cedis no and the dijuma and then abuama dollar na ba form. Yenya confidence was cedi nim na yenya enough cedi in circulation. It strengthens the city. You see. Bank of Ghana governor we and the deputies now we are very smart people. Now we are going local and the issue in say dear omo yeno ema Ghana for nyina etumi access to the money and also don't feel say some people have to hoard the money because the moment you introduce too much dollar into the system when you do transactions with dollar it automatically hikes the prices of goods and services because the moment to be $100 no or expect to say adebia na nka wo say 60 Ghana no and 20 Ghana no $100 nkwane de even though that services no it might not equate to the $100 no automatically $100 nti I will say kodru. Now when we are dealing with our local currency and I say our city the value CBA tiena adebia 60 Ghana na 60 Ghana adebia 40 Ghana na 40 Ghana so the Bank of Ghana is trying everything possible to make sure say we build a confidence in our currency. The moment you are able to build that confidence, America, you great thing is the confidence in the dollar. America for better market just economy not say, but he will never tell you say the dollar no or the bema because still as much as the currency the economy no hit a roadblocks and I say it's having some roller coaster situations they will still not say their dollar how many confidence room. So we need to believe America currency must say are weak. The ben out is America to America at the yen business on your da. More moto said Donald Trump at the tariffs about American dollar a week. When did you ever see an American businessman use another currency to conduct business? Pound the crownji. Because they know how weak, it does not matter how weak the currency is. It is the confidence that comes with the currency. It shows you, it forces the prices to stable because you don't have any option. So ura kantamanto na sa woto angwa 50 Ghana ura eyekejetia untminto angwa no $120 you have to still buy 50 Ghana. So when you are able to have that unilateral and I said that kind of flexibility when it comes to your currency, how it circulates and how we have confidence in her and price fluctuation intense. The reason why we have a lot of inflation in the say amount for to Ghana na almost dollar business until we are not able to monitor prices of goods and services because some people are charging in dollars and some are charging in cedis. It becomes difficult for you to even do the comparison. So all that we need to do is make sure we stay within a system whereby our currency, we have confidence in it. In the Samiko Hotel or Takrade, na Jimmy 50 Ghana. Me ba Accra, I expect to say hotel no Jimmy 120 cedis. It is not going to take me $300 and say it's the equivalent. No. And that is the only way the Bank of Ghana at the end of the day, no, Bank of Ghana so to me about fiscal consolidation and making sure say interest rate, they can look at it well and place it where every business will be comfortable. Indeed, this is a good advice. It is not going to be a one-day thing. It is going to take us some time, but it's all about monitoring. It is all about consistency. It is all about we having the will to do it. It's Bank of Ghana. We need to make sure it becomes a policy, and then we make sure say our mind be on the problems. America did not start yesterday. It started a long time ago. In America, there was a time in America, there was a time in America, that corruption has taken over every institution. It was gradual. There was the will to make sure they weed out all those things. We have gotten a government, a president who is willing, and a government that has the goodwill to do the right thing. Let us support this. Let us push them. Let us make sure we stay within the laws. We will bring the Ghana back. Right now, the dollar is at 10.20. Meaning, by the end of the year, the dollar is going to be between 7 and 8. It's a fact. By June, July, not dollar Dubai 8. I'm telling you this. It's our dollar take it to Bank of Ghana. NPP for now we are dollars ne good demono. Man share ya ebedum brebi. Dollar no most sending ebetuma to cadet. And I say ladder. And I say ebetuma to opel ascona. Into dollar na mo wiana egu good demo chebino. Munko yini nya from Bank of Ghana. Dollar na ma lock no chebia himfie no. Monte San Fambra Bank of Ghana. Mo we are good. I go say there be dollars no. Some man got an entema. Ebedum brebi no. Dollar no, or the top ladder pay the bit matter, and I say Ascona, and I say Omega 3, and I say Abia Ayadi, Abenwaha. This is an advice to Ghanaians. Ladies and gentlemen, it's exactly 2 hours 49 minutes. It's been a wonderful day. We will meet here tomorrow and talk about Ghana. My name is Kevin Akobedu. Be good. God bless you. God bless me. Cheers. We are all messengers who are ready and willing to speak truth to power.